Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have ever wondered how your computer makes decisions like checking if a password is correct or if a game character has enough health, then you are ready to learn about control flow in C++. Today we are diving deep into if, else if and else statements. By the end of this video, you won't just know the syntax, you'll understand how to build logic that powers real world applications. The concept of what is an if statement. At its core, an if statement is a gatekeeper. It evaluates a condition inside parentheses. If that condition is true, the block of code inside the curly braces runs. If it is false, the computer simply skips it and moves on. Condition is a training. True, take an umbrella. False, do nothing. Let's break this down. If, and else. Else is the fallback. This executes if none of the previous conditions were met. Now, let me show this example. Notice how the computer checks these sequentially. Once it finds a condition that is true, it runs that code and skips the rest of the chain. This is crucial for efficiency. Never put a semicolon after the if statement. That is, these are the common errors. If x is greater than 5, semicolon will make a if statement useless. Comparison versus assignment. Remember, is for comparison. Using a single equal to inside your if condition will assign a value instead of checking it, which is the number one cause of bugs. So always check while comparing it is equal to. And the scope is always use curly braces. Even if you have only one line of code, it prevents errors later if you add more lines. So sometimes you need to check a condition inside another condition, that is called nested if. Keep these to a minimum, though if you go too deep, your code becomes hard to read. If you find yourself nesting 4 to 5 times, it might be time to look into switch statements, which we'll cover in future video. Now the conclusion is, this is the power of C++ decision making, and I'm going to give a coding exercise here. Write a program that asks the users for their age and then prints you are a child, you are a teenager, or you are an adult based on their input. Now drop your code in the comments, share your struggles. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more .NET and C++ deep dives. Happy coding.